global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happiness Today YouTube channel. Drama ensued in the palace a few hours ago when Peter Obi stormed Benin City, Edo State, ahead of the 21st September elections. Of course, he was in company of their humanitarian aspirant Akpata, who also was the former president of NBA. What transpired in the palace brought a lot of reactions, and the statement made by the palace, the king himself, was what was shocking. How the king addressed Peter Obi is also a news also to look out for. We're going to go around this up very quickly, but before we go to the news proper, kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking on the right subscribe button beside it. See bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Well, Benin City came alive. It was the whole people came agog when Peter Obi came in full solidarity supporting Akpata. Remember, this drama went ahead online where the Labour Party decided to create a directorate, Obedient Movement Directorate, of which Peter Obi debunked, insisted that the Obedient Movement is not under Labour Party. Akpata, had to do a lot to see how he can, garner a lot of support and movement for himself. Peter Obi, as a fatherly figure he was, came and showed solidarity, but he insisted that they must, in all honesty, start with the palace. Drama ensued there. They all started with introductions of dignitaries, and the Labour Party said that he actually came to seek support for the upcoming elections, and he informed them that they will be coming here, that he told the palace that they will be coming there to seek the blessings. And let me read the word for word. He said, when he said his speech, he said, we're actually here to seek your blessings, and they will seek the blessings of the palace, and they very kindly asked that they come with me, that's the Labour Party people, these chieftains and Peter Obi, because they have the view that those blessings would also permit the entire party and the entire Labour Party of Nigeria. And of course, they all came into the hall, faithfuls, young men and women who are hopeful for a better Edo. We're hoping also to convince the best of the state to give us their support and their mandate, as our father has said that previously. I am a son of this palace, and so I feel comfortable. I feel that I feel bold enough to come to the throne and seek for your blessings, for your royal majesty's blessing, and to report to your majesty that the Labour Party in the state is strong and vibrant, and we are going to go around the 18 local government area of 100 and all the 192 wards to pass the message to our people, Princess Royal and the princes and the royal, as they call it in England, because they introduce themselves as children of the palace. There are some others also that are distantly related. There are also some others that are distantly related that may not be exactly royal father, royal family, that can also address themselves as children of the palace. So when he said that the child of the palace, he said it in English. He said, I think he says, I was wondering what the campaign is all about and everything, and I called my chief. That's the king now rebuking him. He said that he's the son of the palace and all that. And the king was like, are you a son of the palace? I don't understand. Are you truly son of the palace? And he now started taking time to school him on the difference between being an indigenous son, illustrious son, and being the son of the palace. The king went further. He said that he called his chief and to truly ask, is it truly that he's a child of the palace? And I don't know about that. I don't understand the word. I asked him to firstly quietly go to you and ask him. I didn't want to say it out before, but now that he came back to the chief, and now they came and told me that his answer, that the last time he said that he's the son of the palace, and I don't remember. We know him very well. He's a son. He's an industrial son of the soil. We are true industrial son. You are actually true industrial son of the soil. But to see the child of the palace, I don't know whether any of them is senior. I don't know any of them to be a politician. I don't know any of the child of the palace that is a politician. I don't know. So I just wanted to be sure to clarify issues for the sake of the public and for the sake of the states. So sorry. I hope you don't mind that I clarified issues about you not being the son of the palace, but an industrious indigenous son of the soil. We all know and all that, and I supported you some when you were the president of NBA. I have to call Rufai to support you that they should look after you when the issues came during that conference, and on something that and I had to remember, I had to speak to him that you were coming, you were incoming, so I had to speak to him that you should do the needful and all that. So this English of quoting and quoting that is our son and all sort of thing and looking after him and everything, I felt it that and they all shouted out back talk. So you just have to clarify that and all that. The issue of identity and all that for sake, because I'm quoting it word for word. He's literally saying that Akpata should not be claiming to be the son of the palace when he's actually the indigenous and illustrious son of Edo State of the soil, but he's not the son of the palace. And, and Peter Obi now had to talk about, he had to make mention of why he came, he supported the people, and why he came to support Akpata, and why they must begin, in all honesty, from the kingdom, seeking the blessings of the king and the palace, and they also bless the king, bless the palace, and all that. The king said, okay, I recognize you people, Your Excellency Peter Obi. You are someone we know. You're someone, Your Excellency. We all know you. You're a good son of Nigeria and all that. But you know that as the king and as well as we are not politicians. We are sorry we may disappoint you. That if you're expecting us to give you votes and all that, we're not politicians. We wish you luck. We wish you well. Just like everyone. Remember, it's a dicey one for the king because just like Labour Party have come, APC candidates too will come, PDP candidates too will come, and other party candidates too will come. There are all sorts of this. So of course, the people who are fielding the candidates are not going to field people from another state. They're also going to bring illustrious sons. That was why when Akpata said he was the illustrious son, he was the son of the palace. Is there a palace son here that's right for the king so that we can do the needful? And they discovered that no, what he meant was that he was an indigenous son, an illustrious son for that matter, but not the son of the palace. Son of the palace means someone born of royal blood. And we could have distant royals and all that, but we're talking about royalty, the royal blood that's vying. He does not know anyone to be a politician of any repute, and but in all, I wish them well, wish them good luck. That is expected of a king to be very neutral, but he also believes that the media movement has been known and all that, and they should just do their homework well. All of them, they're all their sons, the illustrious sons of the soul. Don't forget that some few hours ago also APC cried out that Obaseki, the governor of Rivers, governor of Edo State, really is doing quite a lot not to allow them to have a free reign. But then again, that's part of incumbents when it comes to politics in Nigeria. All of that is expected. Well, that's going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take? To have
Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news.